Margie Nelson with Outdoor Solutions, and I'm making my favorite fancy little meal for back straps. I like to take the back strap and keep it whole when I process my meat, and this is an axis steer. We're just going with 2 nice fillets that I've just cleaned up and got ready for this. I will take them and saute them in a minute, but right now we're going to use this really neat chanterelles that were dried and then ground. And then I have some chopped shallots, and I'm going to put the shallots in the butter that's already over here and this, and it's going to make a paste. And when we get ready, I'll put it all around these after they've been seared. We'll put in a little puff pastry. We'll garnish it with some new chanterelles. I'm going to use a little bit of this truffle salt. It gives it an added kick. Let me tell you, this is the bomb diggity, and let's get with it. So I have some butter melting here. I'm going to put some shallots in it and let them get a little bit, till they're a little bit translucent. And then I'm going to put in our ground truffles. These were dried and then ground. Look, they're getting their color back. I thought I had a lot of butter in here, and I did. And we're going to just add some more to it so it turns into a pasty consistency. So when I get my steak seared, all we have to do is add that paste to it, and the flavor is amazing. I'm gonna hit it with some truffle salt. It's gonna look like it's a lot, but it's not. Oh, god dang. This is coming out nice. Takes a lot of butter. This is the consistency you really want this. It's soaked up the butter. It's lovely. It's got the perfect flavor. The shallots are all in there. It's good stuff. I'm gonna let that rest. Next we have our 2 pieces of meat. I'm gonna salt and pepper. Pepper and salt, whichever way. Put it in my hand. So I'm about to saute these and just sear them. You just wanna sear them, keep them very rare in the middle because they are gonna cook in the oven for 20 minutes and they will come out exactly medium rare. Our chef, Albert, he just did a beautiful video on how to saute some beautiful pieces of meat. Please go watch it on YouTube. He is a real chef. I cook. He does a great job, and he explains reasons why and how to do it, and it's a fantastic video. And watch out, you might catch your hair on fire if you do it exactly the way it went on here today. I'm gonna saute these now. Just drop them on in, hot pan. Just get it browned on all sides. It's quick. It's a quick sear. It's just to build some caramelization on the outside and get it started. And then when it cooks with the pastry all around it, for 20 minutes, it comes out perfectly medium rare. It's a beautiful thing. I'm just gonna put these here to rest while I prepare the rest of the ingredients, and we'll be right back. The meat is resting. We're gonna take the paste off the stove. I'm just gonna put it here for ease. And these chanterelles, if you remember when you looked at it, when it was just powdered, it looked like powder. It was light colored, and these chanterelles have got their color back, and there's so much flavor in there. It's amazing. Next, we take puff pastry. This is just half of one. You only need, each puff pastry, you can get 4 of these out of each puff pastry sheet. Just cut it into 4 pieces. I'm only doing 2 today. So the first thing I do is put a dollop. Then we take our meat, place it on there, take another little dollop, put that on top. A dollop is a technical term. And then you just bring your corners up. Secure them, bring the other edges up, secure. The ugly side, here's where your seam is. You flip it, you make it beautiful. So these will be individual Wellingtons. They will cook, they will be nicely browned. We're gonna put them in the oven at 420 for 20 minutes, and they will be perfect. Before they go in the oven, we're gonna get a little egg wash on it. In they go. 20 minutes later, we're gonna plate them up with some demi-glace and some chanterelles that we're reconstituting in some Pinot Grigio today. They'll be perfect. These are going in for 20 minutes. Come back and check it out. We'll have it all ready. It's gonna be wonderful. While the Wellington is in the oven, I'm sauteing up these chanterelles that were just picked in Montana last week. These are beautiful. Sometimes I use morels, sometimes I use chanterelles, or I just use regular mushrooms, button mushrooms from the store. These are very flavorful and good, but I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of truffle sauce, salt, because it's delicious. I'm reheating a nice demi-glaze that we have here, and we're gonna use that. You can use anything you want. You can use a nice gravy. This is gonna be a great Axis Wellington. This will go on the bottom. We will place that Axis Wellington on top. The sauteed chanterelles will go on the side, more for fun, because it looks good, and they taste good too. I am just about to pull the Wellingtons out of the oven. They are perfectly brown, they're beautiful. I'm gonna first put a nice bit of this demi on the plate. I'm gonna place the beautiful Wellingtons right on top of that. We're gonna give it a couple of chanterelles. We're gonna hit it with a little green. And there, my friends, is the Axis Wellington. Holy cow, look at that. It is perfect inside there. There is your medium rare Wellington, $4.20 for 20. What happens every time. Let's give it a try. Got your mushroom, got your welly, got your, oh man, this is, little gravy. Just like butter. So if you like what we've been doing here, we've been doing so many really great foods with wild hog and Axis deer. Please go to our site, fromfieldtotable.com. Check us out on YouTube. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get told every time we have something. Welcome to our world. Come on back.